Hey, one time for the one time, it is your girl Minnie and I am back at it with another flipping video. And today I am going to be using the Morphe Artistry Palette 15S. Looks like this. Nice colors like that. So before we get into this look, if you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I'm not going to do too much rambling, so without further ado, let's get into this glam, sis. Hey. I did my eyebrows and I primed my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan Sand. Yeah. So I had this palette for a while and I never used it. Why? I don't know why. The first color I'm going to go into is this orange shade right here, which is called #LaterGlam. It looks like I've used it because, you know, I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do with this look. So this is my first time actually really using it. I'm gonna put that right in the crease. After that, I'm gonna go in with #Bestie, which is this pink shade right here, and put that in the middle. Then I'm gonna go #Influencer, which is this nice purple shade right here, and put that out on the outer edge. And all of these brushes are the Morphe M456 brushes. So now that I have that, I'm gonna cut the crease. Go back in with the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan Sand and then cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. Okay. I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it. I'm gonna go in with Now Trending. This nice champagne glittery looking shade. And just pack that all on the lid. I'm gonna line my lid. Should I put something else like in the center? I don't want to mess it up, you feel me? Nah, that's not even remotely bright enough to even. What could I have? Alright, anyway, that's it. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna use the Starstruck liner. Should I make it a thick liner or what? I'm about to clean this up because you already know my lashes be too long. They be in the way on the corner. I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. Prime my face using the Fenty Pro Filter Primer. Let me take my earrings off because they bothering me. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty. I'm gonna set my face using the Jouer Soft Focus Hydrant Set Powder in the shade Medium. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Concealer in the shade 360. I think I wanna go down one more shade. I'm not too sure just yet. I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Dark Chocolate. So then I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Pro Filter Set Powder in the shade Honey. I'm just gonna press it in. So then I'm gonna brush this off. I'm gonna do the same pattern. I have this peachy Aaliyah. Let's see how that looks. I just might with pink. I'm gonna go in, let me see. And it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Madison. Then I'm gonna go in with the Aaliyah. This is a lip Motor City. This is a lip gloss. Is it gonna tint? It's a lip gloss. It's not really. Dang, I thought it was gonna tint. I'm going with this ColourPop pink one. I probably shouldn't even be using this. This is old. Then I'm gonna go in with the Aaliyah Brooklyn Born lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Glow Watcher for the inner corner. Yes, honey. So I'm gonna set my face. Then I'm gonna use the Starstruck loose highlighter in the shade Belle.
Like a falling star, I won't wonder where you are. You show me that you only care for you. Scream a little louder, scream a little louder. I love you was a whisper, one day in the mirror.
So this is the final look. I'm very happy with this look. If you like this look, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Let me know which palette you would like me to try next. And until next time, peace.